Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to start dropshipping with AI in 2026, a complete walkthrough. So you want to start dropshipping in 2026 without spending hours researching products or building a store. Let me show you how to launch a fully powered AI dropshipping business in minutes. Alright, so uh, your first step would be to find a winning product with AI. So you could get your winning product if you look up websites like Minia, Nexus, or Ali Shark AI, and then just simply search them up. So I have Minia here, and I also have Nexus. So basically, Nexus is a business research tool and news database. So you could use these services to simply search for products that contain high order velocity. So basically, that's what you're going to be looking for, products that people are actually, looking to buy, things that they don't mind buying, things that they don't mind owning. And you could just use this website to simply search for that. The same goes for Minia. You could try the biggest winning product database, instant access to 20 million plus creatives and ads. Tired of ineffective spy tools? Get instant access to the number one. All right, so basically, Linea is meant for dropshipping. It's an all in one solution designed to help you launch your e commerce, scale up your sales, and boost your profits. And yeah, so just simply search for high order velocity products there. 30, with at least 30 to 70% of profit margins and low competition scores. Then you can now use ChatGPT Vision or Gemini to simply analyze your competitors. So when you say something or when you give it a prompt, that's ChatGPT, when you give it a prompt like, give me 5 angles to beat these competitors and improve conversions. So let's say your direct competitor is someone like Nvidia. You could ask ChatGPT to give you the best angles to beat this competition and improve your conversions. So basically, get better rates and profit margins as well. Then the AI is going to give you hooks, product benefits, and angles you could use for your advertisements to simply get your message out there. So you could just try Minia here, open up the website, make a request or create an account, and then simply request for some of the data of the number one products. So you can see this is basically what it looks like. We have the home, as library, shop products, sales tracker, success radar, magic search, and competitor finder. So you could use this to check out the products that are actually selling and then how you can do better than this competition. All right. So moving on to the next step, which is actually building your store with AI. Um, One of the best stores you could open up for less than $1 or at least $1 is Shopify. As funny as that sounds, you just need $1 and you can actually open up Shopify and you know, choose a free theme on there and then use Shopify's built-in AI to kind of curate your content. I'm going to show you this in a moment. Let's just go ahead and open up Shopify. I already have an account. If you do not know how to create an account on Shopify, please watch some of our previous videos to get a hang of it. All right, so once you're on Shopify, just simply click on login and simply log into your account. So I'll show you what comes next once you've logged in. All right, guys. So once you're logged in to Shopify, all you need to do, like I said earlier, would be to simply open up Shopify. That's the theme section of your online store. So on from the home, just head over to online store. Click on online store, you'll find themes here, and then you could simply use a theme that's friendly, that's free, like Spotlight or Refresh. Those are some of the themes you can get for free without having to pay a dime. Now, another thing I told you you can do is to use Shopify's built-in AI to actually do some things like generating a product page, generating frequently asked questions, writing your policies, building descriptions with search engine optimized keywords. So you can do all of this and more using Shopify's artificial intelligence, which would be available when you simply choose to edit your theme. You'd find that option here and then you can ask all these questions and all these recommendations would be done. I believe this is what the AI looks like. It's called Sidekick. So it's just this small image of a sidekick here. If you click on it, you could simply enter your prompt and Shopify would help you out, basically. So you could just ask a question and it's going to ask you how it can help. And once you've generated your product pages, generated the frequently asked questions, and written your policies, you can then upload your AI edited product photos using Cameo AI or Recraft to clean up and upscale them as well as brand them. So if you have a brand image, you can generate it using Canva. If you do not have one, you can generate it using AI like ChatGPT or any other AI. All right, so now moving on to the next step, we have fulfillment with AI automation. So you could get some services or some activities done solely using AI. That is by installing softwares like DSARS or ZenDrop. So if you were to click on DSARS or search for DSARS, you could simply start an AliExpress dropshipping business for free. So it's a dropshipping tool for your business that helps you streamline the supply chain, maximize your profit margins, and optimize supplier selection. So these are the things you can look to profit from the software that is offered by DSARS. All right, so after you connect or after you install DSARS or ZenDrop, simply connect the product you found. Let's say on your Shopify store, you could simply connect it to DSARS, ZenDrops, or AutoDS, and then automate your order routing. All right, so you could simply set up or turn on the automations like automatic order routing. So DSARS and ZenDrop should offer that. Let's go ahead and open up the website. They should offer that service as well as auto price updates. So if you were to update your stuff on your Shopify, you could simply connect your Shopify to DSARS. There is a connection there is a connection you could use. It's basically like a simple connect. You just connect your Shopify to DSARS. So basically, this is it here. You could see you could actually connect, or they are partners with Shopify and Wix. So you could connect and automate your order routings, your auto price updates, auto stock monitoring, and also branded tracking package. And also generate a branded tracking page. Sorry. This simply means you don't need manual contact suppliers or having to manually track your shipments. DSERS would do that. Now, the last step, or before the last step, we have AI powered marketing. You could do this by paying for CapCut Pro or Premium and simply use the CapCut AI ad maker or in video to simply generate a product video for your content. And then you could use adcreative.ai for the thumbnail ideas, the CTR boosting, and also automated ad testing. And then last but not least, we have launching. So you could launch your products on TikTok. You could use the TikTok ads and also Instagram Reels, which cost about $10 per day to run ads on there. But you would be getting a good amount of clientele if your product is one of the best. So don't forget to check out your products using things like Minia. You can see Minia offers basically what is trending in the list of products. You could even make a more curated search on here. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.